So this is how you can attack someone in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to a guide for Monopoly. Today you will learn how to attack people. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And now you can see that I am in my very own board. So as you can see, there is a Go button that if you click on it, it's gonna go start hopping. So just keep clicking on this button until you get on top of one of these flying discs. If you really want to earn more money, you can even step on those other spots like this train over here. So let's go ahead and choose a few of these and see. There we go. We got a large heist and I've collected 670 cash from that. But we're gonna still keep going for the discs. So let's go ahead and keep rolling. And here we go. Since I landed on a train, I can go ahead and destroy someone's building. But if they have a shield, oh, like this one, this person had a shield and blocked me, so I couldn't destroy and attack his building. Now let's keep rolling until we go to those discs. And yeah, so if you land on a disc, your friend gets to pay you money. But if you really want to attack them, what you're going to want to do is go on this little train right here. So it says no train, no gain. Take wealth from others when you land here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep rolling until you can land on a train like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.